Is your team having trouble connecting with the right prospects, even after putting in a lot of effort? Often, the main issue is poor customer segmentation. We'll show you how SMARTe can help your team easily identify and reach your ideal prospects more effectively. Welcome to SMARTe. Here you'll find all your targeting tools in one place: your predefined account list, your personas, recent reveals, and bulk export. Finding your ideal prospect is a breeze with our search filters in Discover. Let's walk through how to set this up to align with your business needs. If you have an account list, you can swiftly navigate to the account section and select your uploaded list. This will display the details of your entire uploaded list. Suppose you're interested in finding leads for Accenture, listed here. Simply click on Find Leads, and an overview panel will appear on the right. Here you'll find a company overview, the employee list, firmographics, technographics, and funding information. This provides you with easy access to company details right from the Discover page. If you're searching for a specific persona, select one of these options or enter a name to get results. Let's say you want to explore all leads for a particular company. You can apply your filters from this panel to our Leads tab and add your persona. For instance, in my case, we have Sales here, which will provide access to all the people in the persona within the selected companies. SMARTe offers a comprehensive filtering option, including employee size, revenue, HQ location, industry, and technology stack. In total, we offer over 35 filters. Let's quickly review some of the key ones. If you want to focus on one company at a time, you can use the company filter. We also have preset ranges available for revenue and headcount. If you have a custom requirement, you can certainly opt for a custom range, specifying any range or number that suits your needs. Or for instance, in my case, I'll select a predefined range of 10,000 plus. If you wish to filter by department headcount, that's also possible. You can specify that you want companies with a sales department of at least 30 members. The displayed list comprises people within those companies. Your results are fetched in real time as you apply your filters. We provide a vast list of industries, and you can also search by SIC or NAICS codes. If you wish to add additional filters, you can do so. There are options to select departments, including detailed 2-level departments. If you want to filter by the entire sales department, you can do that. If you want to go more specific and filter by inside sales, that's also possible. Our keyword feature can be used to search for niche requirements that may not be directly available. In our department section, you can use keywords with a star to find more variations of the titles you're looking for. In total, we offer around 35 plus filters, including company contact and CRM filters like Salesforce. If you want to find only the newly hired people within the last 4 months, go ahead and select this filter. You will get the list of new joiners. We also have 3 funding filters: total funding amount, the last funding round, and the total number of funding rounds the company has gone through. This filter will prove to be very useful for users. For instance, if you wish to look for accounts that exist in your Salesforce, simply select Yes. If you want to filter by ownership, say for a particular account owner, select that person and you will see only the accounts owned by that individual. Additionally, if you combine this with adding leads that do not exist in your existing contacts, you will start to see all the new records. These are the net new contacts available for the accounts that exist in your Salesforce. This filter can be very beneficial for your end users. Once you are satisfied with the search filters you have created, you can save this as a new search. Just name it, for example, My First Search, and click on Save. This will then be available in the side panel where all your previously saved searches are stored. You can load any of them with a single click. You can also create a persona with a lot of customization. Click on Create Persona. For example, if you want to add a department name, you can create a persona for the entire marketing department. Name it something like Marketing Leaders, and you can also select a location, such as MEA or the United States. There's also an option to select by postal code and range. So if you want to select a location by postal code, you can specify a range of X miles and pick a city, like Seattle. Any contacts within a 100-mile radius will be included in your persona. Feel free to sample this. If you want a preview, select one company and observe the results. See if these results align with your expectations. Based on that, you can modify the persona. This seems like a well-constructed persona, so let's save it. Once saved, it will immediately appear in your list, and you can share this persona. You can make it public, allowing all members of your company or team to access it. Alternatively, you can share it with specific individuals and decide whether to give them editing access or merely viewing privileges. This is how simple it is to share with your team members. Now let's quickly dive into data insights. Click on View Stats to access your entire data set. Analyze your data here. If you're interested in understanding how your data is distributed across regions, click here. You'll see a visual representation of your data spread. You can also perform a two-level sort. For example, if you want to see how the data is shaped by seniority level, you can do so. Here you can see that there are around 90 VP-level contacts from North America, 29 from EMEA, and so on. With a single click, you can download this report. Or, if you're satisfied with the overall results, go to Exports, click on Select All, and download as a lead or directly into a CSV file. Let's take the lead now. When exporting to Salesforce, you will have the option to select the number of records you wish to download. You can also choose to download only 3 or 5 records per account by specifying the number here. If you prefer not to receive any contacts without an email address, you can exclude all records without an email. If you have any suppression lists created, feel free to select one of them as well. Give it a name, and just like that, with a single click, your data will be pushed to your CRM. To view the downloads, you can either click here or navigate to the List section and view bulk exports. Your list will be queued for now. In a few minutes, it will be ready, and the data will be pushed to your CRM. And that's it! Now, we can easily repeat this process using our saved profiles. If you'd like to see more ways SMARTe can support your sales goals, book a demo to connect with our team.